Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And today's market was volatile and it was expected that the market will be a bit volatile because after every trending market there is a volatile market, right? And then sort of there goes the consolidation market after that, and then we again continue the trend, right? So basically Bank Nifty was also pretty volatile today, and we are going to talk about what we can do for tomorrow and what are the expectations for tomorrow. If you see, Bank Nifty straight up today opened at higher levels, right? And that's why we saw profit booking in the market, because a lot of people who hold their positions start booking their profits as soon as the market opens, right? And Bank Nifty had opened exactly at the support, exactly at the resistance. And if you see, why did from the start itself Bank Nifty started to come down? If we see, if we go into the 5 minute chart, and if you see, there was this resistance over here, right? If I could go ahead and make it for you guys, if you see, this was the resistance level that Bank Nifty had opened at, right? So basically when Bank Nifty opened above this resistance, what happened was a lot of people would have started buying, right? They would have thought, oh, the market will continue to go up, the market has opened above the resistance. And that is where the sellers the people who had big buying positions started getting liquidity to exit their buying positions, and from there itself the market continued to move down a lot, right? So that is a very good example of why you should not trade in the first 5 minutes itself, and let the market settle first and see where it is going to go. If say after 15-20 minutes the market is consolidating near this area, that means people are not liquidating their buying positions, right? And then the market had the chance of going up. But if you see, in the open itself, market saw a sell-off, and from there basically we saw a sell-off till 46,700, right? So what can we do for tomorrow is very simple, right? Just give me a second. Yes, what can we do for tomorrow is very simple. First of all, talking about in the 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty is consolidating in a small range, and it is kind of expected for Bank Nifty to consolidate, right? Tomorrow, if we again open with a gap up, say somewhere near 47,000 or 47,050, 47,050 to 47,060 will be an important level to watch out for. If you are seeing that market is taking rejection from this level, right, then you can go ahead and take a short position from this level again for some sort of a profit booking back till 46,800, because market will not go up straight, market will not straight up continue to go up and continue this rally tomorrow again after opening with a gap up. So chances are, if we open with a gap up somewhere near 47,000 to 47,050, this zone will be very important, 47,050 to 60, right? If you see that market is taking rejection, in a 15-minute chart, in a 15-minute candle or in a 5-minute candle, you can also wait for negative price action. And then if you see that market is taking rejection from this level, you guys can go ahead and take a short position again till this low of 46,800, right? Because from there market will see a bit more sell off, and we will see a bit sort of a consolidating move in Bank Nifty tomorrow also. I don't think we will see a very big trend on either side. And even if market moves one side, I think the market will then close. Let's say market continues to move down, right? Say after opening flat, the market will, I think, then close higher. And if the market say opens with a gap up or opens flat and starts to move up, then I think the market will see a pullback and it will close a bit lower, right? So basically I'm not really expecting the market to move in a particular direction a lot tomorrow. Maybe once we wait a day or two, then we can see a continuation of this trend, right? Because Nifty is also near 21,000, right? So if Nifty could wait near this zone for some time and then break out, then we could see a very good move in the market about 21,000, which could easily lead us to 21,500 also, right? So what can we do over here for tomorrow is very simple. As I said, if you open the gap of somewhere near 47,000, 47,050, once you see negative price action over here, you guys can go ahead and take a short position again till the target of 46,800 on the downside, right? However, if you open it the gap up somewhere near 47,000, that means Nifty will also open with a gap up somewhere near 21,000, right? So at 21,000 or a little bit above 21,000, right? Once we are a little bit above 21,000 and you see negative price action being made in Nifty, you guys can also go ahead and take a short position in Nifty also, because once we are about 21,000, a lot of people will start buying thinking that 21,000 is broken, right? And that is when the sellers will get a lot of liquidity, right? Or actually the people who are holding long positions will get a lot of liquidity to exit their long positions, right? So they will then start dumping in the market back again till 20,950 first of all, and then 20,900 on the downside. So near so at 21,000 or a little bit above 21,000, if you see that nifty is starting to make negative price action, lower lows, then you guys can go ahead and take a short position in nifty also, back down till 20,950 first of all, 960 to 950 first of all, and then 20,900 on the downside, right? Because I am expecting that tomorrow also we could see a little bit of pressure from the higher side, because we want sellers to come into the market, right? And so the buyers will not really start buying very aggressively over here, right? Where can we take a buying position is this support area will be very important. If you see that bank nifty is opening flat and it is going below this support area, but it is again coming back up, right? Let's say bank nifty just goes below the support area and comes back up, right? Then you can take a long position over here, because then what will happen is that a lot of buyers have their stop losses at this place, right? So once the market goes below this level, a lot of buyers will become sellers in the market, and that is when someone can buy a big quantity in the market. And from here also, once the market traps all these people, market can go up, close again back above 46,780, and then it can continue to move up from here back up till 47,000, right? Because as I said, market could be consolidating, so even at lower levels I think we could see buying coming in and market could close a bit higher, and then you can keep a target of 47,000 first of all. And then I think if you want to, you can wait for the target of 47,200 in the coming days, but for intraday you can book all of your profit at 47,000, right? Basically what I'm trying to say that can happen over here, I will show you guys a very good example of what could happen at that place. Just give me a second. uh, if I could find that. Yes, basically if you see over here, mark this was a very good support, right? 46,550, right? And if you see, market opened straight up at the support, went below the support but closed higher, right? So if that happens, then we can again take a long position, because if you see from there, market saw a very good rally, right? So that is what we need to see in the market. Once you see that sort of thing happening, right, where bank nifty breaks this support but then closes higher, or comes back above the support, then you can think of taking a long position. And I will also think of taking a long position by shorting an ITM option for this week, right? So that is for the upside. If you open however above 47,050, right, then we need to see how the price action is, right? Because maybe then market will move up till 47,200 and then take some sort of a rejection from there and close lower, right? So if we move above 47,050, then we cannot really do anything, because we are in the middle of the range, right? There is 47,200 on the upside and 44,800 on the downside, right? So we'll need to wait for either the market to go up till 47,200, take a good rejection. You'll need to see that market is taking a strong rejection, and then you can think of taking a short trade on the downside till at least 47,000, right? But if we open near 47,000, above 47,050, then we just will need to wait and see where the market decides to go throughout the day, right? Talking about nifty, Nifty is also at a very good place, but I think Bank Nifty is at an even better place, right? But what can we do in Nifty is 19,920 will be an important level to watch out for, because if we are, let's say, if we open flat somewhere near 19,950, like almost flat 950, 960, all these levels, right? Anywhere from 19,960 to 920, basically completely flat. And if we are holding this level for 15 to 20 minutes, 19,920, if we are holding 19,920 for 15 to 20 minutes, then we can see an up move back till 20,990 as easily, right? Because then Nifty will try to go up and at least go till 20,990, because 20,920 is a very important level. If we are holding 2920, then we can see an up move back up till 20,990, and then you can also take a buying position over here till 20,990, but do not hold more than that. Max to max hold it till 21,000, because from 21,000, as I said, we could again see a sell off coming opening, and Nifty could close a little bit lower because 21, because it is going to test 21,000 for the first time. So chances are there will be a good sell off in Nifty at higher levels, right? On the downside, 20,900 will be another important area to watch out for, right? Let's say market, because from here market can take support from 20,900 also, right? So tomorrow basically market could also consolidate near this area, right? But as I said, if you open flat and kind of consolidate over here for 15 to 20 minutes, then we can see a good up move till 21,000 on the upside. We should not open with a gap down somewhere near 20,000, below this level, basically 20,900, because once we open with a gap down, chances are Nifty will see a little bit of weakness throughout the day, and we could see Nifty going down till at least 20,840 to 850 on the downside, right? So if you are opening with a gap down below 20,900, we can't really do anything, and it's best to go ahead and not do anything for tomorrow. If you are opening above 21,000, right, then what can we do? Then we need to wait for the market to show us a little bit of negative price action. Once we see that market is making negative price action, then you guys can go ahead and take a short trade again till 20,960 to 950 on the downside, because if we are opening at 21,000, a lot of people will start booking their profits, and we could see a sell-off or profit booking in the market, right? Another thing that you can do is that mark the high of the 15-minute candle, first 15-minute candle, and if you see that market is going above the high of the first 15-minute candle, but it is coming back below that high, then also you can go ahead and take a short position, because that will mean that market is trapping a lot of new buyers over there, and then market could again move down and close lower, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today, and I think tomorrow we could see a little bit of consolidation in the market, and then we could see a trend in the coming days, right? So that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.